Good morning, students. Chapter 6 we have already covered. Question answers, exercise, explanation, everything. Hope you all have done. In my second video, I have explained chapter 7 also, in which we have discussed the geographical features of our country. Today, in this video, I am going to finish the remaining part of the chapter. This chapter covers the 5 physical features of our country. Children, these physical features are explained in separate chapters 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now in this chapter will be covered by activity only. You will have to do a map of for this chapter, but even then I am explaining you the main points of the chapter once again, and the exercises. Question answers we will not do of this chapter, as the question answers will be repeated in the next chapters. So we have already studied that India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. All these states and union territories have separate government. They have the liberty to run their state in the manner prescribed in the Constitution of India. This is the map of India, political map of India. It is showing 29 states. Although now there are 28 states. In the new books, there may be, and the new map must be shown in the new book with 28 states and 9 union territories. The geographical features of our country: the northern mountains at the top, then the northern plains, Deccan Plateau, this is the Thar Desert, and the coastal plains. This all I have explained you in my second video. Please go through that video. Now in short, we are doing this chapter. India is a country in the Asian continent. We all have studied the map of world in 6th chapter. India comes in the Asian continent. It is the 7th largest country and the second most populated country in the world. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. If you have old edition, then you can do correction in the book. Otherwise, in the new edition, I hope the correction must have been done. Constitution of India is the legal document that prescribes the principles to run the nation. This is a book in which all the rules and regulations how India should be governed is written. India is a country of diverse geographical regions. There are major five geographical regions: the northern mountains at the top, then the northern plains, the great Indian desert, in the west the southern plateaus, and the coastal plains and the islands. This is all given in this chapter. We will do a physical map of India showing the 5 main geographical regions of India in the activity. Now the exercises. First of all, tick the correct option. It is MCQ. India is a part of the dash continent. This you all know that India is a part of the Asian continent. So B is the answer. Second is the answer, Asian continent. Which of the following is situated in North India? Himalayas. Himalayas are situated in North India. Name of the Great Indian Desert. The other name for the Great Indian Desert is Thar Desert. Which of the following rivers water the northern plains? Ganga, Yamuna, Beas, and all of these. All these 3 rivers water the northern plains. So the answer will be all of these. Then India has a coastline of about 7,500 kilometers. Now match the following. Children, if you are taking help of the old books, then you can do correction. There's A 5, B 2, then it should be 28 now. And in 7 you can do 9 and E 7. This correction should be done by you in the old books. I hope I have not gone through the new book. I hope the correction must have been done in the new book. Now the first is 5. The answer is 5 is the number of the major geographical regions of India. Then 2. Second is the position of India according to its population. Then 28 number of states in India. Then 9 number of union territories in India. And 7 is the India's position in the world according to its area. So you can write down here C, D, A, E, B. I will send the PDF of this chapter also. So exercises you can do from that PDF also. State true and false. India is the most populated country in the world. False, because it is the second most populated country in the world. Then all Indians converse in Hindi language. No, all Indians do not converse in Hindi language, although Hindi is our mother tongue, but even then there are different languages used all over the country. So answer is false. The variety in climate does not affect the people of India. This is also false. The variety of climate affect the people of India. The Himalayas are in the north of India. This is true. And the Great Indian Desert lies in western India. This is also true. The answer comes false, 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 true, true. Now fill in the blanks. India is an example of unity in diversity. The next dash of India is the legal document that prescribes the principles for the nation, Constitution. This is the book written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. India has dash states and dash union territories. India has 28 states. 28 states and 9 union territories. The southern plateaus surround on two sides by the coastal plains. The answer is southern plateaus. Southern plateaus are a rich source of coal, iron and gems. So this chapter you will do exercises only. You will practice the map. Question answers of this chapter will not come. This chapter will be considered for activity. And in the next video we will start with the 8th chapter. Thank you, children.